Hello and welcome to this video on the power of social media and how it can transform your business. In today's digital age, social media platforms have become a powerful tool for businesses of all sizes to reach a larger audience, generate leads, and increase brand awareness. In this video, we will explore the different ways social media can transform your business and provide some actionable tips to help you get started. So, let's dive in. The power of social media, how it can transform your business. Social media has revolutionized the way businesses reach their target audience. With the right strategy, you can quickly and easily connect with potential customers, build relationships, and grow your business. There are various social media platforms available, such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. To get the most out of your social media campaigns, it's crucial to create an effective strategy. This should include setting clear goals, identifying your target audience, developing a content plan and schedule, utilizing automation tools to streamline your campaigns, and measuring and tracking the results of your campaigns. Another crucial aspect of social media success is creating engaging content. Visuals such as photos and videos are incredibly effective in catching people's attention, and timely updates related to current events can help keep your audience engaged. Asking questions to encourage engagement, sharing customer success stories, and using relevant hashtags to increase visibility are other effective ways to create engaging content. Finally, it's important to measure the success of your campaigns to ensure that you're achieving your desired outcomes. Metrics such as engagement rates, followers, and website clicks can provide valuable insights into the effectiveness of your campaigns. By tracking these metrics, you can monitor the success of your campaigns and make necessary adjustments to your strategy as needed. Here's some tips, tricks and guides to get started. Creating an effective strategy. Start by setting clear goals for your social media campaigns. What do you hope to achieve through your social media presence? Are you looking to increase website traffic, generate leads, or build brand awareness? Setting specific and measurable goals will help you track your progress and adjust your strategy accordingly. Identify your target audience. Who are you trying to reach through your social media campaigns? What are their interests, pain points, and needs? Understanding your target audience will help you create content that resonates with them and drives engagement. Develop a content plan and schedule. Consistency is key to success on social media. Create a content plan that outlines the topics, formats, and channels you'll use to reach your audience. Develop a schedule that ensures you're posting regularly and at the optimal times for your audience. Utilize automation tools to streamline your campaigns. Social media can be time-consuming, but there are various automation tools available that can help you streamline your campaigns. For example, you can use scheduling tools to plan and schedule your content in advance, or use social listening tools to monitor conversations and respond to customers in real time. Measure and track the results of your campaigns. Use analytics tools to monitor the performance of your social media campaigns. Look at metrics such as engagement rates, follower growth, and website traffic to understand what's working and what's not. Use this information to adjust your strategy and optimize your campaigns for success. Creating engaging content. Use visuals such as photos and videos to catch people's attention. Visual content is more engaging and memorable than text-based content. Use high-quality visuals to capture your audience's attention and communicate your message effectively. Post timely updates related to current events. Social media moves fast, and it's essential to stay on top of the latest trends and news. Share updates related to current events that are relevant to your audience and show that your brand is aware of what's happening in the world. Ask questions to encourage engagement. Asking questions is a simple but effective way to encourage engagement on social media. Use questions to start a conversation with your audience, gather feedback, or get insights into their needs and preferences. Share stories and success stories from customers. Sharing stories and testimonials from happy customers is a great way to build trust and credibility with your audience. Use these stories to showcase your products or services and demonstrate the value you provide to your customers. Use relevant hashtags to increase visibility. Hashtags are a powerful tool for increasing the visibility of your content on social media. Use relevant hashtags in your posts to help your content get discovered by users who are interested in your topic or industry. In conclusion, social media can be a powerful tool for transforming your business, but it requires an effective strategy, engaging content, and measuring your campaign's success. By following the tips outlined in this video, you can use social media to reach a larger audience, generate leads, and increase brand awareness. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment below with your thoughts and experiences with social media for your business. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and colleagues. And, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this. And don't forget to visit our website at www.fioasli.com to get the original freebies and paid products to follow your needs and bring your vision to life. We appreciate your support and feedback, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.